My name is Red Darley and I'm a true AC technician. I've been an AC tech for going on about 5 years now. When as an AC tech, I focus on anything heat, AC, ventilation related. Anything from a brand new build that, a house that's never had air before to your, common diagnosis of capacitors, contactors, anything electrical to full installs, change outs of units on the daily basis. Whatever you need that's related to AC, I got you covered. And to show up when you're hot, and as you get hot, you're in tight quarters, you get aggravated, and to see the look on those people's faces when that cool air starts blowing out them vents, it makes you feel great. Makes you feel great. From the office ladies to the guys that mow the grass, basically. It's good morning. How are you today? It's a family environment. They want us to be that family environment. If we have anything going on, even in our personal lives, they want to help you with that as well. It's not just a job. It's a family that you work with. I'm Red Darley, and I'm your true AC technician.